Hey, creative minds and digital enthusiasts, welcome back to Ideaplex. Imagine a world where creativity knows no bounds, where artistic visions are birthed not with brushes and chisels, but with clicks and commands. A world where the impossible becomes plausible, and where you, the dreamer, the artist, the innovator, hold the key to unlocking a universe of visual wonders. Have you ever wished for a magic wand to bring your wildest artistic visions to life? Well, your wish is Playground AI's command. Stick around as we dive deep into this game changing platform that's making waves in the world of digital art and AI technology. Welcome to Playground AI, the ultimate playground for your imagination. This platform is not just a tool, it's an experience designed to revolutionize the way we create and edit images. Whether you're a professional designer or just someone who loves dabbling in digital art, Playground AI has something for everyone. First off, let's talk about the heart of Playground AI, its AI-driven image generation capabilities. Imagine combining the surreal elements of a dream with the precision of a high-end photo editor. That's exactly what you get here. You can start with a simple sketch or even a rough idea, and the AI transforms it into a stunning piece of art. But that's just the beginning. One of the standout features is the ability to grow images beyond their edges. Yes, you heard that right. You can expand your creations seamlessly, adding more depth and detail without losing the original essence. It's like watching your artwork evolve in real time. With Playground AI, these dreams are no longer confined to the realm of fantasy. You can sketch out your wildest ideas and with a few clicks, watch them transform into breathtaking reality. But it's not just about creation, it's about editing. You can take an existing image, a photo of your favorite coffee mug, and with a few swipes, turn it into a masterpiece. Want to remove that pesky photo bomber? No problem. Need to replace the sky with a starry night? Easy peasy peasy. Playground claims to be an AI image generator, a digital artist in your pocket. They say you can create and edit images with just a few clicks. Sounds too good to be true, right? Okay, enough stalling. Let's jump into the actual website and let me sign up. Navigating through Playground AI is a breeze. The user interface is sleek, intuitive, and packed with powerful tools that are easy to use. You don't need to be a tech wizard to get the hang of it. Plus, the collaborative aspect means you can work with friends or colleagues, sharing ideas and enhancing each other's work. Now comes the fun part, creating something awesome. We'll put Playground to the test with different prompts and editing tools. Can it handle simple doodles, or are we limited to abstract blobs? We'll see if Playground lives up to its name and lets us create freely. Here is the generated image. Playground really shines. The ability to quickly generate and customize images is a game changer. Let's not forget the editing tools. Need to erase an unwanted object? No problem. Want to fit a new element into an existing scene perfectly? Consider it done. The precision and flexibility of these tools are remarkable, giving you professional quality results without the steep learning curve. In a nutshell, Playground AI is more than just an image generator. It's a creative powerhouse that empowers you to bring your ideas to life in ways you never thought possible. Whether you're looking to create stunning visuals for a project or just explore your artistic side, this platform has got you covered. So if you're ready to unlock your creative potential and take your digital art to the next level, head over to Playground AI and start playing. Trust me, once you dive in, you'll be hooked. Let's talk about pricing. Playground has 3 tiers: free, pro and turbo. Free, this plan allows you to create up to 50 images per day. Pro, this plan costs $15 per month and allows you to create 1000 images per day with no limits on quality and details. You'll also receive priority customer support and access to upcoming pro features. Turbo, this plan costs $45 per month and allows you to generate 2000 images per day and has all the features of the pro plan, but also enables you to generate 16 images simultaneously and more quickly. That's all for today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Ideaplex for more awesome content, and let me know in the comments what you think about Playground AI. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.